I'd like to thank the committee for inviting me. Para once and for all, malaman natin ang totoo. So, I would like to request sa inyo na huwag ninyo akong ituring president or kaibigan. Treat me as a witness and tignan natin kung lalabas yung totoo. So, with your permission, at maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat for inviting me. I'd like to start